Each vessel in the Sanitary vessel series involved multiple processes to meet the sanitary requirements, as well as ASME code and CRN registration. After parts are fabricated, metal finishing technicians execute the requirements of 25 RA internal and 35 RA external, a roughness average measurement that indicates the smoothness of the material as required. Under specific ASME requirements and welding compliance documents, welders begin manufacturing the sanitary design vessels. Custom components such as nozzles, sight glasses, and spray balls are assembled onto the Sanitary design vessel series. The line of vessels was passivated per ASTM A967, removing all free iron and embedded contaminants. And every vessel was tested and inspected to include ASME calculations and data report, passivation and surface finish certificates, quality control checklists and certificates, elastomer certificates, and CRN documentation.